In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar into Monday.com quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're managing projects, scheduling team meetings, or keeping track of deadlines, integrating your Google Calendar with Monday.com can dramatically streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get this integration up and running, allowing for seamless scheduling and time management. First, you'll want to head over to the Integration Center in Monday.com. This is where you can connect all sorts of useful tools to enhance your Monday.com experience. The Integration Center is like a gateway to endless possibilities, so make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Integrations icon, which typically resembles 3 horizontal lines or a plug symbol, depending on the interface version. Once you've accessed the Integration Center, you're going to select Google Calendar. This step is crucial because Google Calendar acts as the hub for organizing your events, tasks, and meetings. By integrating it into Monday.com, you'll have all of your scheduling information at your fingertips. Next, it's time to connect your Google account. When prompted, log in with the Google account you use for your calendar activities. You'll be asked to grant permissions to Monday.com, which allows it to access your calendar data. This part might feel intrusive, but it's essential for syncing the two platforms effectively. Remember, this means Monday.com can now efficiently populate your calendar with relevant entries and updates. After you've successfully connected your Google account, you're ready to set up some automation rules. Think about how you typically manage your schedule and what processes you can automate to save time. One popular rule to establish is, when date arrives, create an event in the calendar. This automation effortlessly transfers details from Monday.com onto your Google Calendar, ensuring that you never miss a meeting or deadline. Utilize these rules to create a system that aligns perfectly with your daily routine. You might want to automate entries for project deadlines, team meetings, or even personal reminders. This integration ensures that your team stays in sync and that no important dates slip through the cracks. By following these simple steps, you now have Google Calendar integrated into your Monday.com workspace. This powerful combination not only keeps your projects organized, but also saves you time and reduces the risk of oversight. This effortless synchronization means your mind can rest easy knowing your scheduling is taken care of. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this guide helps you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. Don't forget to explore other integrations available on Monday.com to further optimize your workflow. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.